That's what happens when you abuse your plane and run it through a bunch of whatever roof tar was on this beam. But luckily I have a sanding pad to get all that stuff off. This is a completely restored Bailey number 7 that I restored myself. I didn't restore it to antique looking at condition. I restored it to I'm going to use it condition. All right, guys, I'm not going to bore you with the rest of this. I'm going to do all that prep and continue on. I think you can see the result once I start to get that bow out of the center. You can see once I start that slowly coming down, that was significantly bigger. Once I get that out of there, I'll work the other side a little bit. This is going to probably be my top. I'm going to leave in some of the defects just because I like the defects and stuff. It makes it look real. But we'll tune back in when I have all my parts cut. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.